On Monday, New Delhi will receive Russia's Vladimir Putin. PM Modi and Putin will then sign a slew of deals aiming to bring the two countries closer. Russia has also begun delivery of S-400 systems in India. The two countries are jointly producing modern assault rifles as well. The two sides will be meeting for an annual summit in New Delhi, where the Indian Prime Minister and the Russian President will have restricted one-on-one talks. 2+2 defense and foreign ministerial dialogues will also take place, in which Defense Minister Rajnath Singh and his Russian counterpart Sergei Shoigu will meet. Alongside External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar and his Russian counterpart Sergei Lavrov. One of the biggest issues surrounding the key summit is the ongoing delivery of Russian S-400 missile systems. In November, Russia started delivering components to India. The $5.4 billion contract went ahead despite the likelihood of US sanctions under its CAATSA law. CAATSA, or the Countering America's Adversaries Through Sanctions Act, prevents ally countries from entering into defense deals with Russia, whom the US considers an enemy. However, given India's close ties with the US and India's bold stance on exercising strategic autonomy, the much-feared CAATSA sanctions did not apply. India and Russia are also expected to broaden cooperation on defense, trade, space, technology, energy and culture. The military technical cooperation arrangement between the two nations is also likely to be renewed, as well as the reciprocal exchange of logistics agreement or RELAWS, which will enable the two militaries to provide support as well as logistics to each other. Representatives from India and Russia have regularly met virtually over the past 2 years. Investments between the two nations have risen to $50 billion by 2025, as against the earlier target of $30 billion in 2018. Back in August, the Indian Prime Minister and Russian President agreed to have regular talks in Afghanistan. India and Russia are expected to continue these consultations. Also, the threat of cross-border terrorism remains a concern for India. Given the surge of activity among terror groups like Lashkar-e-Toiba and Jaish-e-Mohammed, earlier, the Indian government went ahead with the joint production of over 500,000 AK-203 assault rifles with Russia. The $51 billion deal is expected to boost India's self-reliance in defense manufacturing. Production will begin at a factory in Uttar Pradesh's Amethi under the Indo-Russian Rifles Private Limited joint venture, which brings together weapons production entities from both nations. Russian President Vladimir Putin's day-long visit to India has major defense and security considerations. This will also be his second international visit since the COVID-19 pandemic began, which offers a glimpse of how important Russia considers its relationship with India.